Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your X app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here to settings. So then you just go down here and you click here on apps and you come to apps list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here to looking for X app. So just keep going down here to find your X app here. So then when you found it here, so just click on your X app, then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage list and you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store and you search for your X app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.